Hey guys, this is Mr. K. This is the second video in our movable sculpture kit. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make all the gears and how to put them inside. So, what you should have by now is this little box in front of you. Okay, it should be put together. You should have a little piece over here, and from this point, we should go on and start making the gears. In your kit, you guys should have a piece of paper with 4 pre-drawn circles. These are gears, okay? So you should have that. For materials, I'm going to use scissors for cutting. You guys also going to need another piece of wood, a wooden stick. I'm going to give that to you guys, or it should be in your kit. You guys can use X-Acto blade if you guys want to. I'm not going to use X-Acto blade because I don't have to. And you guys need to have a hot glue gun, okay? So let's get to this. The way it's going to work, you need to cut out all those 4 circles. Just for sake of this video, I already did that, but I want to show you guys how to cut circles out of cardboard. So the way I do this, okay? Yes, you can take an X-Acto blade and try to cut it out like a pen, and try to do your best, but I've found that X-Acto blade might not be the best for that. So what I like to do with this situation, I like to take scissors, cut one circle at a time to make it a little bit smaller. Nice. And then with my scissors, cut one at a time slowly. You guys can see that I'm not doing big, huge cuts, and I'm just basically munching all around that circle. Nice and easy. One circle done, okay? And you need to cut out all 4 of those, okay? I'm just gonna cut out one more to show you guys something else. So again, one, I have all this space around. Let's cut it out. Okay, so now I have 2 circles. Those are gonna be my gears. Okay, so I'm gonna put those here. I'll take this aside. Remember, you're gonna have to cut all 4 of those. Okay. So now I don't need any more scissors right now. I'm gonna put it on the side. What I'm gonna want you to do, guys, is take those 2 guys. You're gonna hot glue them together. So I'm gonna take my hot glue and basically gonna Oreo those guys. So what not to do is put the glue all over the place. You don't need that. Take the glue and check this out. This is more than enough. Put the hot glue gun aside. Take another piece. Try to match it to make a nice circle. Okay, and nice cool Oreo. Neat. Okay, so we have nice cool Oreo. Awesome. So now let's go back to our box that we have over here. Okay, you're gonna use some hot glue later on. I'm gonna put it on the side. Okay, so let's work with this now. So first thing, remember that you need the second stick. Let's put it over here. So assuming that you guys already have those 2 guys over here, let's put it on the side. Check this out. I'll take this out and we're going to work on our first gear that's going to be right over here. So as you guys learned in the last video, this stick you guys can place on the top of this pipe and we'll go right through here. Okay? Neato. So what I want you guys to do is this. Take your circle, your gear, take your sharp tip, don't be silly about this, and try to find the perfect, doesn't mean you have the perfect, but try to find the middle of this, which I can eye somewhere over here. Okay? So I'm going to do, I'm now going to poke through it. Be careful, don't be silly. Okay, and poke all the way through. Okay? Actually, If it sticks out like this, that's just fine. Okay, you don't have to go all the way through. Now, take it out. Okay? Now, pay attention because that's important. Take the stick, okay, with the flat shape first and put it inside of the box, like this. Take your other gear, over here, this little circle, and attach it on the inside. So it should work something like here, and it should go right inside. Yes. Okay? So attach like this, and you guys can see that now this is happening. Now my box has this. This part gonna push your sculpture up. This is the part that makes you go up and down. Okay? So you guys can see that's kind of wiggly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it flat over here. I'm gonna take some hot glue and put it around the stick. Thank God it rotates. You guys can see there's a hot glue in there. And you're gonna hold the stick to the piece of paper. Okay? So now, if this dries, please, while the glue is drying, don't try to put it all the way up because you don't want the cardboard to stick to the top of your box. Okay? So let it dry. You can let it dry like this. Okay, cool. Neato. While this is drying, let's get to the other part. Let's put it aside. So, you need your other stick that goes across your box and the other circle. Okay? So you have your other circle over here, and this circle gonna push our sculpture up and down. So this time around, I don't want you guys to poke a hole through the middle. No. What you guys need to do is take your ruler, if you have one. Put it anywhere next to the circle, hopefully halfway through. You can see how my ruler is halfway over here. And measure half an inch from the edge. So half an inch is right over here. As you can see, Now, take your sharp tip of the stick and poke a hole all the way through it. Might take some wiggling, but it's over here. Okay? But Mr. K, why it's not in the middle? Well, look at this. Get any ideas? Nice. So now let's take it off. Let's go back to our box. This should be dry. Nice. So what you're going to guys do now, make sure that this part is all the way up. Neat. Now, take the sharp edge, put it through one of the holes, and now put the other circle on that stick inside of your box. See? And weave it through the other hole. Okay? Now you can move this circle around. You'll move left and right. But this spins and this is over here. And this is our second video, a second part of our kit. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the bird and the crank so our sculpture can be completed. I hope this works out for you guys. If you guys need help, ask Mr. K or anybody else for help. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.